What's up, YouTube family? Welcome back. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Mark with Not Your Father's Capital. Let's talk some Solana, right, guys? We're having a very good analysis in this video. I'm going to tell you guys exactly what's going on. Basically, because Solana's DEX is having some insane volume, guys. Over $1 billion. I'm going to get into what exactly this means for us as holders, as well as we're going to take a quick dive into the chart, share with you exactly what I'm feeling about Solana right here, right now. But before we get down into it, guys, I need to take care of some business. Make sure you guys are all subscribed down below. Best way to stay up to date with what's going on in the crypto sphere on a daily basis, and as well as on the channel. That's why you have to hit the bell, hit the subscribe button, totally free. Appreciate each and every one of you guys returning, and let's get down into it, guys. And this is where we're going to talk about Solana, because what we're seeing within crypto right now is ever so more a competitive landscape, okay? And more so than not, a lot of these Solana meme coins that have been coming out and being created, there's been some home runs, but there's been a lot of swings and misses along the way as well. So I'm sure you guys are all aware of what's going down. As always, guys, feel free to drop any comments too about any, one of those cryptos that aforementioned that you've been wrecked with. If there's been something where, you thought you had it, you took some profits, or you actually had just like an insane gainer. I'm always curious to hear. I know Myro's doing really special out there. A lot of people made a lot of money with Bonk. And there's just a ton of stuff to cover within Solana. But I want to get into more general numbers, guys. And this is something where we talk about Solana just basically took over Ethereum in that 24-hour DEX volume. Okay, coming out from DeFi Llama, I'm going to quote some of their numbers where we saw 15+% in weekly volume increase. And Ethereum lost a little over 12% in their own volume, right? That's some good stuff. That is some crazy metrics when we talk about it just over the last 7 days. And what we see is, 5.5 billion DEX volume in US dollars, as well as Ethereum with 7.9 leading that charge. Okay, so they're still below and within a 7-day, that 7-day volume from a total dollar sign standpoint. But that's what's crazy, guys. And we've seen a lot of these cryptos come up. Okay, and now currently we're talking about Orca. Okay, Orca is another one leading the charge as being Solana's leading decentralized exchange, where we saw their volume increase 50% to $2.211 billion. Okay, that's just an insane amount of volume for a new exchange being traded on that basis. Okay, so very good platform. Everything I've heard about them is very strong. Just a tick below Uniswap when we talk about what's going on, but having a 50% surge in trading volume on the week, when we see the likes of Uniswap and PancakeSwap down 32+ and 25+% respectively. Okay, so just to put it in context for you guys exactly how much volume and how much Solana is doing from an ecosystem standpoint. Okay, you can't deny that. Solana basically has seen a lot of positioning within these meme coins, but it's something where I've swung trade Solana for well over a year and a half now, where it's been one of the most volatile assets, and that's kind of what attracts me to it, okay? But more so, guys, it's not for everybody. And when we talk about Solana, and I want to talk to you guys more about the long-term approach, because yes, I do believe in Solana's blockchain. I don't see any reason why competition in crypto is a bad thing. And that stems to the leading to the thought where I want to see Solana become the number one exchange, the number one ecosystem, right? The number one blockchain in crypto. I do. I want to see Cardano become the number one blockchain. Because, guys, I own everything. And that is why it's important to diversify and really set yourself up for the future. Because, especially with all these layer ones, we're seeing this resurgence and the shift into Web3 and, where we're going to end up when regulation and all the dust settles. That's a whole nother discussion. But for me, guys, and if you've watched my channel, I've been pretty much on the mark with some of these cryptos where we look into the long-term prospects. And I'm very comfortable holding and owning Solana, Cardano, XRP, and those are pretty much the cryptos we talk about on a daily basis, guys. And I'm always going to be a Bitcoin fan. I'm always going to be in love with Bitcoin, but it's important to diversify, all right? But that's what I wanted to share with you guys, not financial advice. Please do your own research and due diligence with all things crypto and financial. But let's get down in the trading view a little bit too as we segue to the end of this video. We saw Solana kind of have this nice surge, and guys, I want to tell you, I bought Solana a little bit above this level that we're seeing right here, guys. It was right around above this $88 level. Okay, and what's important is that I use this trading indicator, xtalgo.com. I'll put a link down below in the description, guys. If you need help within your crypto trading, it's not a crystal ball, but it is a guiding light, right? And all it can do is educate you to make better crypto decisions. And that's kind of what we've got going on. It is a algorithmic-based trading indicator, and guys, it simply works. All right, it doesn't tell you when to buy and sell. It doesn't tell you when crypto is going to go up or down necessarily, but we do get these possible retracements and momentum ups, momentum downs. And if you look back in the historicals and you want to test some of the trades that you guys made in the past, it does work. I use on every one of my trades, and just for a little bit over $1 a day, it is truly priceless in terms of a tool that I use within my crypto trading every single day. And that's where I bought Solana a little bit over $88. As soon as this momentum up flash, guys, right here, 88 and some change. And then I sold right after I got this momentum down alert, allowing me to bank 14% profit in just less than 5 days on these 45-minute candles. Simply, guys, it works. So if you're into swing trading, you want to open positions, close positions, just check out the positions you're in, or really just kind of have fun looking at a chart and saying, what if? xtalgo.com truly works. 20% off down below in the description if using my promo code and link, as well as a 30-day money-back guarantee. Very simple. It doesn't work. You hate it. You want your money back. No questions asked. And that's what I got going on for you guys within that promotion. But guys, crypto trading is fun. We're all going to have success in 2024. Just stay tuned here on Not Your Father's Capital. It's going to be a fun ride ahead. I really have a strong feeling about what's going to happen within these big catalysts planned for 2024. And if you're holding Solana, buckle up, because it is one of the most volatile cryptos that I've covered, that I've owned in my own trading. And it adds excitement. There's no doubting that. So we're going to be covering it every single day here on the channel. Make sure you guys are all subscribed down below, like I said, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.